So this is the speaker. It has double-sided tape and zip ties. So I think I'm gonna I just stuck it down in there for testing, but I can't zip tie it or really double-side it there. So if I could scoot this wiring harness down, that won't work. I think this is a ground right here. Maybe I do need to take the seat off because it locks there. Oh, you know what? I should probably put it. I'm going to probably take this seat off. And I'm just going to look around, find a good place. It came with 2 pieces of double-sided tape and 2 zip ties. Pulled off the seat, batteries here. There's a brake reservoir. There's really not a good spot, but this bulge right here is empty. And there's a frame rail that's right here. So I think I would put it right, you can't see it, and so I'm trying to loosen this up enough so you can see it. But there's a bar that goes right here, and this whole pocket is empty. So if I can put it on that side, zip tie it, but I'm trying to figure out what's holding this in. Since I'm going to take this off anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop that off and see if that screws underneath or what it's holding. Now that I have this off, I'm going to get in there and I'm going to mount the alarm before I put that all back on. And especially see what's still holding this thing on. I think it's just these 2, maybe. Aha. So I'm going to go with double-sided tape only. And I have this extra strong stuff already, so I'm going to put some of this on, and then when I run out of this, I'll use what they gave me, which is not. Then I'll clean. Thought that was like a person outside. I'm going a little crazy with this double-sided tape because of the way I decided that I'm going to mount this thing. I can't reach the frame really well, so I'm going to try to zip tie it, but if I can't, I'm just going to stick it to the inside of the plastic on the tail. I'm going to attempt to use a zip tie as well, but I'm prepared to abandon that mission early. These are big zip ties. Frame right there. There's nowhere to zip tie to it, so the best I can do is one zip tie anyway. Or I can just stick it right here.
If it was to fall off, where would it go?
The bottom. It'd rattle around in there, and then I have to figure out how to take it off so that I can do it right. So, speakers there. Good. Actually, see how this is firm now? And this one bends. When you press down, it pushes it against the frame. That's so stupid. Alright, now we're going to put it back together. Off. That's going to be a pain in the butt to get back on. Oh, actually. Much harder than it was to get it off. Oh. So I put the alarm right here on the other side. I put a bunch of double-sided tape and I stuck it up there, and then there's actually a support bar that goes underneath it. So it can't fall off because when you push down on here, it pushes against that support bar. So it should stay. If it doesn't, worst case, it'll rattle around inside because there's no way out, and then I'll have to pull that off, fix it. I do think I want to get some different decals, but the accent color is not going to be blue anymore, so I have to pull these off. I saw some kits that were pretty crazy. There was one that like made it look like a shark. There was like some crazy anime ones, and they're like $140 for the whole kit. So kind of tempted, because then I can just peel it off when I get bored with it. I ordered a bunch of stuff. I've got saddlebags coming in. Storage space if I'm going to use this for much of anything. So I got some that just strap on, so I can easily take them off. If I'm going for just like a cruise and I don't want it to, have them on, I can just throw them in the garage. But if I'm going and I need to carry some stuff, I can put those on really quick. An exhaust that's going to be here in a couple days. Pull the decals off, and then I've got more stuff on the way. I got the whole bike debadged. I do have the security alarm installed with the little click, just like a car would have. The motorcycle has a tracker on it, so it's really just so that they can hear there's a security system. So we'll put the links for the security alarm in the description, and then in a few days I get more parts. I'm not sure what's going to come in first, but whatever comes in next, we'll do a video of that install. Let's do the outro really quick.
I thought the outro would be you driving away.
Okay, I'll do that, but let me say something.